I know y'all been to Austin and back home, but big things are happening, I swear.
So they're home from school.
Oh no.
Her teeth are, sorry, I know we have a mess. Welcome to home. Anyway, let me see. Her teeth are killing her really bad. So, the life of braces.
This hurts and I have my sore up here, but I just got salt water and gargled it. So.
Yeah.
Hey, Mom.
Hey,
Film whenever I go on Monday.
we are.
Huh?
You're not going. You'll be at school. She
You're
has
going
tooth.
Monday?
You're not going. She's going. Tooth extraction.
We're going meeting.
I already had that meeting. That's done over with. So go on. I need you to do a few chores for me, please. You should know what they are. Yes, your chore is those dishes in the sink so I can cook dinner.
Oh, I don't have any chores. My teeth are too in pain.
It doesn't work that way. Yeah. The dogs are cold. It's like 20 degrees outside today.
It's not.
It's 20 degrees.
It's warmer.
It's not that much warmer. Hi, Maya. She's getting so old. She's been lounging all day. Cooper's over here in the corner. What happened? Well, we're not focused at all. Okay, so take two, because we recorded this. I got this in Fredericksburg, so that horrible. Modern to-go cups for wine. Here it is, it's glass, it has this case over it. They're like the cover thing. Oh, and I got bit by...
Spider. It's okay, you live.
Thanks. I don't know if it's a spider or not, but anyway, it's like a twist top and it closes and opens. Super cute.
Wait.
Do we have wine?
Wait. Oh.
No wine. None in there.
Dang.
I'm wineless. Somebody send me wine.
What is a shot not promoted?
What is not promoted? Oh yeah, not sponsored at all. But you guys can sponsor me. Like, this is a pretty little thing. You guys are getting free advertisement here.
No.
So, anyway.
No, actually they're not, because they have to pay for the bill for their iPad.
Yeah.
Phone,
I have
and then-
hamburger meat laid out. We're gonna cook here in a little while. The dishes need to be done. Her job, she's not happy about that because her teeth hurt. I still have to unpack from Austin. Bed's a mess. Coffee, snacks. We've just been a mess. Played a little bit of guitar today. And yeah, that's it. You have some chores to do. Why don't you go get those done?
You know, I'm
And
only
I'm not
doing
sure what you wore to school today, but you look like you're homeless. Orphan in need. That was dramatic. Like, extra. Oh, I'm putting that on TV. Ow, you're stomping on my feet. Anyway, go get things done, please, ma'am. Please. Okay, here we go. We're super safe right now. Okay, so we're coming into New Mexico, and it is, what time is it? It is like 8, you can't see, it's like 8:30 something our time, whatever. Alexis is right there, Haley's in the back.
Yep.
What are we doing?
We're gonna pick up a dog.
So we're going to get a puppy.
And guess what? I get to hold him on the way. So
It's her.
Her, sorry.
So we've got to go get some things for it, and then you can't. Her. We don't have a name for it yet, or her, because we don't know the personality. We don't know if it's gonna be. Sorry, you can't see anything. It's dark. All you can see is the road, so it's like story time. Anyway, so we got to go to Walmart, get us things, and we can't name it because we don't know its personality. We don't know if it's gonna be quirky or funny or sad or quiet or loud, or it might be. I don't know.
What breed is it?
I don't know. It's supposed to, I don't know. It's like a miniature something. It's not supposed to get over like 10-ish pounds or something. It's supposed to be very tiny, like half the size of Cooper. So we'll see what happens. If we get the puppy, we can rehome it because it was going to not a very good home at the moment. So we're saving the puppy at the moment, and we'll see how it works out. It's not like we just get dogs and take them away, but the situation was a little different. Anyway, so we're on our way to get its things, and we're gonna keep it and see what happens.
For paws.
Did you say hobos?
No, home for paws. It's a rescue center.
Oh, that's really cool, hey?
I want to sign up for it because they save dogs that are like stuck under houses and like all of
So I've been using this one camera on the same battery since Friday. It is now Tuesday. Am I right? Is it Tuesday? It's Tuesday. You guys been to Austin and back. You've been to 6th or 5th Street or whatever. You guys been through Fredericksburg. Now we're in New Mexico. It seems like we've been traveling nonstop. This should be about 50 vlogs in one, not really. So I don't know how much battery I have, so I'm gonna save it and we'll pick it back up at Walmart. Public vlogging sounds like a blast.
So guys, we just got out of the car. We made it to Walmart. So right now, we're not quite there yet, but yeah, we're rigging it. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this because we gotta close it.
You're right.
Are you sure?
We're not flashing battery or nothing, no?
Okay, I just want to save the battery. I'm gonna film what we're getting. We're gonna head out. We're gonna pick up the dog. Yeah. So we're gonna pick up the dog. Yeah. We're gonna pick up the dog and then we're going why my face is like so close to the camera. We're going to pick up the dog. Of course, I get to carry it in the back, very back this time. Yeah. Just sat in the front. So I thought she was talking to me. She's talking on her phone. So yeah. Oh, we're here in the puppy aisle. Mom, we have. Oh, don't we need to get at least like a new toy for it?
Yeah, we will. Sorry.
Oh, I'm so excited to find the name for the dog. They changed the whole store.
Where's that now?
Oh, that's diapers. Let's go ask for help.
Oh, wait, back there, I think. Yeah.
I love puppies. Sorry. Oh, it's a cat toy. I don't like all cats. Nope, wrong aisle.
This whole damn store around.
Oh, okay.
That's kitty stuff. We're not filming, so we don't really know what size it is, so I'm just gonna get a small and that's an XX small. We need a 1X small.
I'm gonna film it. I'm gonna get some good like angles.
This is the extra. I think the extra small will
Look at
be
the angles.
the extra small. I don't think it needs a small. We'll get an extra small.
Mom. Oh, what is that? Kitty weed? Really? That is just the typical kitty weed. Thanks, Mom. Oh, it's a llama.
That's bigger than the. Ew, that's ugly.
I'm sorry. I love you, Mama. I said she was a typical joke, man.
That's okay. Go in up there. Yeah. You have to crawl inside the hole.
This fools you're paying for.
Yes. Get it, girl. The puppy one. It says little puppy right there. Yeah, that's cute. Thank you.
Bye. Have a good day.
Get down. What'd you say?
Oh shoot.
No, yeah, it's because they didn't call it in like they're supposed to. Do you need help?
No.
Get down, Haley. Do you want me to help you?
No. No, stop.
She's stuck on the shelf. Watch your head. Don't look up, Haley. Don't look up. Stay down. Okay.
You're so rude.
Okay, here we go. It's time to meet our future family member.
Oh, the big goat.
Oh my gosh. Hi. Oh my god, you're so stinking. Oh my god, she came right to me. Oh my god, come here. Okay.
Hold out here.
Hold my camera. Oh, I gotta go get my purse.
Are you filming this?
Yeah, they only gave me. They only let me get 20.
No, I'm not filming.
Here.
I'm not filming.
Hold on. Okay. Alexa's here.
Let's see.
Oh my
That
god.
way you let her pull.
Okay. Oh my lord. What are we doing?
I'm making some
Pickles.
No. Okay, so we're making, of course we have another messy kitchen because we're always cooking something. So pickles, eggs, hot Cheetos, into fried hot Cheeto pickles. Fried pickled hot Cheetos. How would you say it?
Fried pickled hot Cheeto.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Whew, different. Get it. Get it, look. Look. Paisley, hi. Hi. Look at Cooper's still in the sucky. Cooper, that's not yours. Cooper, Cooper. No, sir. Throw it that way. Throw it out. Throw it that way. Not too far. She thinks Maya's gonna get it.
We need to make a Paisley channel. We need to make a dog channel, Mom. Mom, we need to make a dog channel.
No.
For all dogs.
No.
For all of our dogs. Yes.
Can do an Instagram. People do that.
Oh, yeah.
You're so sweet, Coop. That's a good boy.
What? This is what I'm learning for dance.
Uh-oh. He's like, I want that so bad. Don't give it to him. It's not his. Just roll it. Roll it.
She's so cute when she trots.
I know, she does trot.